So this first one's the kindness pledge. It's going to be so cozy in here.
Yeah, we were lush. That's the thing. It should be a place where you want to be. So
Yeah,
making it cozy is good.
that's very true. So will we value each and everyone's uniqueness with equity?
Yes, I feel like I'm getting married now. I pledge.
I pledge. Will we choose to co-create both the working environment and working relationships so they're safe and nurturing?
Well, we can't guarantee the working environment. Os ti'n gweithio tŷ ti,
Mm.
Lindsay. Yeah, I think it's that kind of individuals going out on their own is the big
Wow, I never
thing.
thought of that. Should I put that in the scenario?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I suppose Katie and can't show Lindsay's physical working environment is safe and nurturing when you're at home or working from your home
Yes.
studio. And that's another thing when you're out and about working with communities, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
again, we can't guarantee that,
No.
but between us, we can
Our systems.
take measures to make it as safe and nurturing as possible.
Yeah.
But
Do we
yes.
understand people have different needs and welcome new ways of doing things? I think very much so.
What we don't know, maybe, are the different needs that people might have. And there's something interesting there around because we have a relationship, some norms have already established themselves, maybe.
Mm.
That's what I
So-
was going to say.
So there might be some needs that we haven't shared with each other.
Yeah.
And now it's normal not to share those things. So this could be an opportunity to bring things up that have been there.
That we haven't been explicit with. That's exactly when I read through this yesterday. I was thinking that I was just like, oh yeah, well, we know we're Lindsay and Lindsay knows us, but you know, we've never been prompted in this way before to be really like, yeah, we've just found our way, haven't we? So I was really interested, like, yeah, to be more explicit
Explicit about
about our needs, that, you know, we might make an assumption, you know, like casually last week, for example, you know, when we had the Govod Glass meeting and we were like, oh, you know, do you want to be on the WhatsApp group and stuff? And you're like, yeah, I don't mind, that's fine, but I don't really tend to kind of respond or reply, you know, and I was just like, oh yeah, well, that's good to know.